Hi students, welcome you all for this wonderful session. In this session, you are going to learn working with Linux Ubuntu. I already explained you Linux is one of the most popular operating system. It was developed by Linux Star Wars and other people like engineering students and computer science scientists grouped together, and they have developed this operating system. It is open source. It is available in online as open source as a free one. Next one is for the Linux operating system. Many distributors are there. The distributors are Ubuntu Linux, Linux Mint, Arch Linux, Deepin, Fedora, Debian OS, and CentOS. These are all distributors for Linux. Next one is Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a Linux-based operating system. It is specially designed for smartphones, computers, and network servers. The system is developed by UK-based company called Canonical Limited. Ubuntu was conceived in 2004. Shuttled Mark Shuttleworth. By Mark Shuttleworth, he is a successful South African entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is nothing but who is giving job opportunities for others. That person may be known as entrepreneur, and his company called Canonical Limited. What are the significant features are there while using Ubuntu? What are the software supported by Windows operating system that can be support here also, just like as Firefox, Google Chrome, VLC player, like that. All the supporting softwares of a Windows operating system that can be supported here also. That can be installed here also. It supports the Office suite called LibreOffice. In Windows operating system, we have used Microsoft Office suite, but it will not support here. Instead of that, we have to use LibreOffice suite. Next one is the Linux Ubuntu operating system has an inbuilt email software called Thunderbird. It can support Exchange, Gmail, and Hotmail, etc. It gives user access to manage your email. Next one is there are free applications in Ubuntu, inbuilt free applications to manage your photos, to share your videos, and to edit your photo and videos. And next one is it has a searching facility. The Linux operating system has a searching facility to search the content of your computer. And next one is the best feature is it is open source. It is available in online. That is the best feature of this operating system. And next one is Ubuntu desktop. There are many similarities between Ubuntu and other operating systems such as Microsoft Windows and Apple. This is because they are all based on concept of GUI. All the operating systems are based on the concept of GUI, graphical user interface. The following are the means of icons in Ubuntu OS. What are the icons are there in Ubuntu OS? Search your computer. We don't have Linux operating system. I mean, I I didn't install Linux operating system, so that I can't show the desktop of Linux, so that only I'm showing the book for your reference. Searching your computer, this option which will helps us to search the contents of our computer. Next one is files. Files is nothing but just like as my computer. And next one is Firefox web browser. It is a default inbuilt web browser. How the Internet Explorer is a default web browser for Microsoft Windows operating system. The Firefox web browser is inbuilt web browser for Linux operating system. This one is called as menu bar, and this one is called as indicated area or notification area. This is desktop. These are all known as icons. Next one is LibreOffice Writer. LibreOffice Writer is alternate for Microsoft Office Word. LibreOffice Calc is for Excel, and Impress is for PowerPoint. Impress is for alternate for PowerPoint. Ubuntu software. Through Ubuntu software, we are able to install and uninstall the softwares. And next one is Amazon. With the help of Amazon we are able to purchase the items. Next one is system settings. It is equal to control panel of Microsoft Office Windows, Microsoft Windows operating system. Trash is equal to recycle bin. Next one is menu bar. Menu bar is located at the top of the screen. The menu bar contains common functions used in Ubuntu. What are the frequent common functions, or what are the frequently used applications are there, that should be contained here. Next one is network indicator. This manages the network connections. With the help of these network indicators we are able to, or we come to know whether the internet connection is there or not, or we are able to connect wireless network also. Next one is text entry settings. This shows the current keyboard layout, such as English. EN is for English, FR is French, K is for other languages. If more than one keyboard layout is shown, it allows you to select the keyboard layout of out of those choices. Depending upon your needs, you are able to select the keyboard layouts. Next one is messaging indicator. This incorporates your social applications. From here you can access instant messenger and email clients. With the help of this messaging indicator you are able to access your email clients. Next one is sound indicator. With the help of that sound indicator we come to know whether volume is available or not, and we are able to increase the volume as well as decrease the volume while playing songs and playing the movies. Clock, you know very well, it is used to provide the time, and it is used to link your calendar also. By clicking the icon, by clicking this icon we come to know the time and date, whatever it is. So next one is session indicator. This is a link to the system settings. With the help of the session indicator you are able to log in with system settings, Ubuntu help and session options. Title bar. The title bar shows the name of the currently selected directory and in which directory you are in. With the help of this title bar we come to know. It also contains the close button, minimize button, maximize button and restore buttons. Toolbar. The toolbar displays your directory, browsing history, your location, file system search button and options for your current directory view. The desktop background, and this is what the desktop background, the maroon color. If you are not willing to have this desktop background you are able to change this one, and by default you will get Ubuntu 16.04 desktop as a ambience. And these are all the icons. Files, see here, search your computer, this is equal to search option in window. My files, files is equal to my computer icon. Firefox is a web browser. Office writer is for MS Word. Calc is for MS Excel. LibreOffice is for PowerPoint. And this is Ubuntu software. Amazon online shopping app. System settings is equal to control panel. VBox is what, and trash is equal to recycle bin. And these are already explained to you. And LibreOffice Calc, this is equal to Excel. We are able to calculate the items, or we can calculate the basic operations of mathematics, just like as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Writer, this icon will directly take you to the document preparation. With the help of this LibreOffice writer you are able to create a document. By clicking Firefox web browser you are able to open any websites. You can access your uh, website. And next one is Impress. LibreOffice Impress. By clicking this icon you can open presentation to prepare any presentation in Ubuntu like MS PowerPoint. Ubuntu software icon, this icon will let you add any additional applications you want. With the help of this Ubuntu software icon you are able to install as well as uninstall any applications. Online shopping icon is for Amazon. With the help of this one you are able to shopping any, you are able to buy any product through online. This is system settings icons. This is equal to control panel of Windows. With the help of this, you are able to change the settings of your system. Trash, it is equal to recycle bin. The deleted files and folders to be moved to this trash. If you want to restore it, you can go to trash and making a double click on that particular file or folder, and it would be restored again into the deleted folder or colon. And next one is creating deleting files and folders. Similar to Windows OS, how you have created and deleted files and folders, the same procedures we have to follow the same procedure here also to create and delete files and folders. How we have created files and folders, similarly we have to follow the same procedure here also to create and delete files and folders. If, while deleting a file or folder, it can be moved to trash. If you want to delete a file or folder, first you have to select, many ways are there to delete a file or folder. The first way is to select a folder and afterwards delete button will be there in your keyboard, and while by clicking that button it will ask you, are you sure want to delete this file or folder. Two options will be there under this one, yes or no. If you want to delete the file or folder, you have to press yes or no. The second way is right click on that particular file or folder. A pop-up menu will be appear on the screen. From the pop-up menu, an option will be there called delete. By selecting the option, again it will ask you, are you sure want to delete this file or folder, and again the same procedure happens here also. You can give yes or no. So next one is shutting down Ubuntu using session options. With the help of session option, session indicator only, we have to shutting down, which means we have to shut down our computer. So many options will be there: logout, suspend or shut down. By selecting this option, we can shutting down our computer. So students, I hope you will understand these concepts very well. Learn this concept as well as Windows, what I have explained or what I have taught before sessions. You have to learn those two topics also. So watch carefully, prepare very well for the test. Thank you all.